In this series, we will be making a server which handles our messages, a client which connects to the server, UI using a JavaScript and HTML, and finally our own encryption algorithm. And after finishing this, we need to make this public. So I will be showing you how to make this server public and let anyone join without spending a single dollar. Okay, now let's watch a quick demo. First, we have to run the server file, which gives us a code which we have to enter in the client to connect. I hope you can see the client. Now we can have any nickname we want. I'll have it as test. You submit it, you get a window, and as you can see here, you an auth code is sent to our client, which then decrypts it and sends it back. And if it matches and it is correct, this client is allowed to connect. Now this client is authorized, so we can send any message here. It is sent to the server and it is logged here. I hope you can see this properly. Now unfortunately we can't connect more than one client from a computer. If I had two or more computers, I could have showed you how it works seamlessly from anywhere, but unfortunately I can't now. So I think after we finish the series I can show a demo of that. Okay, now I'll show you the disconnect feature. If you press exit chat, you are disconnected and you are safe to close this window. The process is completed. You can close both the windows, and that's it. That is my chat application we will be making in this series. Bye.